Traders and investors, listen up. Today, we're diving into something super crucial that could totally flip your trading game on its head. We're talking about self-sabotage. Yep, that sneaky little gremlin that hides in your mind and messes with your trading success when you least expect it. You know how sometimes you make a great trade and then second guess yourself, or even worse, you hold on to a losing position way too long? That's self-sabotage at work. It can stem from fear of failure or even fear of success, which is wild. So, let's get real and tackle this together. It's time to confront those inner demons and take control of your trading journey. Are you ready to kick self-sabotage to the curb? Let's go. Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering why, even with a solid game plan and years of experience under your belt, you keep tripping over the same mistakes? It's like you've got this internal compass. But sometimes that compass goes haywire and you feel this crazy urge to toss your own rules out the window. You know what I mean? Maybe you're in a high-pressure situation and instead of sticking to your strategy, you dive headfirst into a risky choice. It's wild how our emotions can pull us in all sorts of directions, making us act against our better judgment. This dance between logic and impulse can be super tricky, and honestly, it's a part of being human. So, what do you think? Why do we do this to ourselves? Self-sabotage in trading is like a sneaky little ninja that shows up when you're least prepared. Seriously, it sneaks in, disguised as smart decision-making, but before you know it, you're spiraling into financial chaos. It's that annoying voice in your head saying, just this one time. Or you can totally make it all back with one big trade. And let's be real, we've all been there, right? One moment you're riding high on confidence, and the next you're gripped by fear, second-guessing every move. Take, for example, that time you doubled down on a losing position because you just knew it would turn around. It's wild how quickly emotions can swing from I'm a genius to what have I done. This roller coaster ride isn't just exhausting, it can wipe out your hard-earned gains. Recognizing this pattern is key so you can break the cycle and trade smarter, not harder. Understanding self-sabotage is like shining a flashlight on the dark corners of your mind. It's the first step to conquering it, and that's what we're diving into today. We'll dig into those sneaky psychological triggers that lead us down that self-destructive path in trading. Think about it. Have you ever hesitated to pull the trigger on a great trade because of fear? We'll uncover those hidden beliefs that keep popping up, like, I don't deserve success, or I'll just mess it up anyway. Plus, I'm super excited to share some powerful strategies with you that can help you break free from these patterns and start thriving. You've got this. You might be thinking, this doesn't really apply to me. I'm a rational trader. But let me tell you, even the most seasoned pros slip up and fall into the trap of self-sabotage every now and then. It's like 1 minute you're riding high on a winning streak, and the next, you're making impulsive trades that just don't make sense. It's such a common pitfall in trading, and honestly, recognizing it is key to your long-term success. So take a moment to reflect on your own trading habits. Have you ever let emotions cloud your judgment? You're definitely not alone in this. Throughout this video, we're diving deep into some real-life examples and sharing expert insights that are totally relatable. You'll also find practical exercises that you can jump into right away. Whether you're into day trading, swing trading, or you're a long-term investor, the principles we're chatting about today are going to help you build a trading mindset that's not just resilient, but super self-aware. Think about it. Imagine being able to bounce back from losses like a pro or recognizing your emotional triggers before they mess with your trades. That's what we're aiming for. So grab a notebook, because we're about to make trading feel a lot more manageable and maybe even a bit fun. Peeling back the layers of self-sabotage is like uncovering a treasure chest of hidden fears and beliefs. At its core, this destructive behavior often springs from deep-seated feelings we might not even realize we have. Take traders, for example. Some of them grapple with a fear of success. Can you believe that? It sounds wild, but that fear can be just as paralyzing as the fear of failing. Imagine finally making that big trade, only to backtrack because the idea of thriving feels too overwhelming. It's like standing at the edge of a cliff, knowing you could soar, but being terrified of the leap. Isn't that something we all can relate to in one way or another? Imagine this scenario. You've been on a winning streak for weeks, sticking to your trading plan like a champ. But then, out of nowhere, those nagging doubts start to creep in. You know the ones? Thoughts like, this is too good to be true, or do I really deserve this? It's wild how quickly that can turn into you taking crazy risks, overtrading, or even making choices that just don't make sense, leading to losses that could have been avoided. It's like self-sabotage. This is just one example of how self-sabotage can manifest in trading. Other common forms include procrastination, perfectionism, and self-doubt. Each of these behaviors can severely impact your trading performance and, ultimately, your bottom line. But why do we engage in self-sabotage? Often, it's a misguided attempt at self-protection. Our brains are wired to avoid pain and seek pleasure, and sometimes the fear of potential pain, like the emotional toll of a significant loss, can override our rational decision-making processes. Our past experiences and beliefs about money, success, and self-worth seriously shape how we trade, you know? Like, if you grew up thinking wealth is bad or that you don't deserve to be financially successful, those thoughts can really mess with your trading game. It's wild. For instance, even if you've done all your research and made solid trading decisions, those deep-seated beliefs can creep in and sabotage everything. It's like trying to swim with weights on your ankles. No matter how hard you try, you just can't move freely. So it's super important to dig deep and confront those beliefs. What about you? Have you ever felt that way? One sneaky way we can sabotage ourselves is by craving excitement. Seriously, trading, when you break it down, can be pretty mundane. It's all about patience, discipline, and sticking to your game plan. But here's the kicker. For a lot of traders, especially those who dive into the markets looking for that adrenaline rush, this boring vibe can lead to some really reckless choices. Like, instead of sticking to their strategy, they might jump into risky trades just to feel something. It's wild how the thrill can turn into a slippery slope, right? Balancing that need for excitement while keeping your cool is key to success in trading. What do you think? You know, it's super easy to slip into some pretty risky trading habits, right? Like, you might find yourself jumping into trades that totally go against your strategy, or maybe you're cranking up your position size way past what you can handle and holding onto those losing positions, just waiting for that miraculous comeback. That's a classic move. All of this is just self-sabotage, driven more by the thrill of the chase than by solid trading principles. It's like chasing that adrenaline rush instead of sticking to your game plan. So next time you feel that urge, take a step back and ask yourself if it's really worth it. Combating those pesky, self-destructive tendencies in trading can feel like a real uphill battle, right? But the first step, it's all about awareness. Seriously, start tuning into your thoughts and feelings before, during, and after each trade. It's like having a mini check-in with yourself. Try keeping a trading journal that goes beyond just jotting down your entries and exits. Include your mental state, any moments of doubt, and those sneaky times when you strayed from your trading plan. For example, if you felt anxious before a trade, note that down. Recognizing those emotions can help you understand your patterns better and make smarter choices moving forward. This way, you're not just tracking trades, you're tracking you. Next, challenge your beliefs. If you find yourself consistently engaging in self-sabotaging behaviors, it's time to dig deep and question the underlying assumptions driving these actions. Are you subconsciously believing that you don't deserve success? Do you have a skewed perception of risk and reward? Identifying these limiting beliefs is crucial for overcoming them. One powerful technique for combating self-sabotage is visualization. Spend time each day visualizing yourself as a successful, disciplined trader. See yourself calmly following your trading plan, managing your emotions effectively, and achieving your financial goals. This practice can help rewire your brain and align your subconscious mind with your conscious trading objectives. Another effective strategy is to create a solid pre-trading routine. This could include meditation, reviewing your trading rules, or setting clear intentions for the day. By establishing a consistent routine, you create a psychological anchor that can help keep you grounded and focused, even when emotions run high. It's also crucial to develop a support system. Surround yourself with like-minded traders who understand the psychological challenges of the markets. Join trading communities, attend webinars, or consider working with a trading coach. Having a support network can provide valuable perspective and accountability, helping you stay on track and avoid self-sabotaging behaviors. Remember, overcoming self-sabotage is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It requires constant vigilance, self-reflection, and a commitment to personal growth. There will be setbacks along the way, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn and strengthen your trading psychology. As we wrap up this exploration of the dark side of trading psychology, I want to leave you with a powerful thought. Your biggest enemy in trading is not the market, other traders, or even bad luck. It's the voice in your head that tells you to abandon your strategy, take unnecessary risks, or doubt your abilities. By recognizing and addressing self-sabotage, you're not just improving your trading performance. You're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and personal development that can positively impact all areas of your life. So I challenge you to take a hard look at your trading behavior. Are there patterns of self-sabotage hiding in plain sight? What steps can you take today to start breaking these destructive cycles? Remember, awareness is the first step towards change. As you move forward in your trading journey, keep this conversation about self-sabotage at the forefront of your mind. Use the strategies we've discussed to build a more resilient trading psychology. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, and never stop working on yourself. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the psychology of trading. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into mastering the mental game of trading. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your perspective could be exactly what another trader needs to hear. Please watch my next video about the top 12 trading mistakes that every trader experienced. Until next time, stay mindful, stay disciplined, and may your trades be ever in your favor. Happy trading, everyone.